Hi, I'm Stephanie Gilbert, and welcome to Hue Therapy, a Paul Mitchell-focused salon. This is where I'm able to unleash my passion for hair. I have wanted to be a Paul Mitchell educator since I went to a Paul Mitchell school in Columbia, South Carolina. So for 7 years, this has been my goal. I would love to be able to learn more and to share my knowledge and to give back to future stylists and stylists in the profession like Paul Mitchell has given to me. So today I am going to show you some big Hollywood waves and how I'm going to achieve that with Desiree here. We've already pre-prepared her hair we shampooed with the Awapui line, the Moisture Ladder shampoo. It's color safe. It is 100% sulfate free. Cara triplex blends replenish the hair, and the Awapui extracts balance the moisture. Then, in the Awapui line, we also used the keratin cream rinse, and it is color safe. It strengthens the hair, it protects the hair, it instantly detangles, and it has the Cara triplex blends and the Awapui extracts in this as well. Then we used the Hydro Whip Cream from the Awapui line, which hydrates and smooths healthy hair. It delivers long-lasting, crunch-free hold with a silky finish, and it also has the Awapui extracts, and it lightly conditions the hair, fights frizz, and it balances moisture. Then we prepared the hair with the Hydro Mist Blowout Spray. This speeds up drying time. It preps the hair for a flawless blowout, protects from damage, boosts volume, and also has a weightless hold. So that's what we did to her hair to get it ready for the big beach waves. I used Ion Express Dry Plus. It is the new Ion dryer from Paul Mitchell Pro Tools. And it has an LCD screen. It's a 1875 watt dryer. It ensures the shininess of the hair and the integrity. It cuts the drying time by 60%, and it has 5 temperature and speed settings. Today, to achieve the look that we're going for, I'm going to use the Ion Express Extra Large Iron. It's a 1.5-inch aluminum barrel, and it has a double heat system so that it doesn't have any cool spots, so it speeds up your styling time. All right. So to prepare the hair for the heat from the iron, we're going to use hot off the press. Hot off the press protects the hair from the heat from the styling tools. The rich whole extract puts a barrier between the hair and the iron. It has wheat protein to deliver an extra dose of strength, and it adds great memory to the curling and the smoothing. So as I go through with each section, I'm going to spray it. To achieve this look, I'm going to start on the bottom, about mid-shaft down, and not go all the way up. By the time that I get up to the crown area, I will go all the way up with the iron. I love the Awapui Ginger line because it's really good for fabric that I'm working with today that's heavily highlighted and sees a lot of heat, whether smoothing or curling. And so now that I'm working up towards the top, I'm getting a little bit closer to the scalp. And because this iron is an 1.5-inch barrel, you're going to get bigger voluminous curls so you can take bigger sections. And when I finish, I'm going to use the Hold Me Tight. And in fact, you can spray it on your finished curls to help set it. And that is the Hold Me Tight, which has a powerful, flexible polymers that adds a strong hold, but it doesn't have a buildup.